Hey everybody, Justin Sardi here. Thank you for taking a minute to check out this video where I'm going to give you the rundown on the newest drag and drop page editor to hit the market, VideoPages, as well as the bonuses that I'm going to be throwing in for everybody that picks up VideoPages from my link, which you can actually get right below this video. And there's also a little bit more info on the bonuses, but we'll get into that shortly. So, like I said, I just got VideoPages the other day. I've been playing around with it. This page that you are watching this video on is actually created on VideoPages. Now, I've been really impressed so far. It's very easy to use, and I'll actually show you exactly how easy it is to use. But I'm not going to dive completely into it and show you everything because there are all these help videos right here that will walk you through the process and get you completely up to speed. But there's really not much of a learning curve at all. Now, first thing I want to point out is these integrations. You can see there's all the major autoresponders right here, as well as GoToWebinar. So it does integrate with all of those very easily as well. It's as easy as clicking connect and saying OK. Very easy. It's got a digital library where you can upload your own files and images, and a Facebook group where you can, everybody that picks this up is going to be in there, and they're going to be helping everybody out in that Facebook group. So also, one other thing I wanted to point out is custom domains. I have mine set up, justinsardi.co. That's also where you're watching this video. And you don't have to use a custom domain. One thing I want to point out is this is not a WordPress plugin. It's all hosted either on your site, which will be your custom domain, or on VideoPages site. So there's no need for WordPress themes, no WordPress updates. This is all self-contained, and that's one of the things that I really liked about it. Now we'll go ahead and jump over to the dashboard, and as you can see I've got a couple campaigns in here, but we'll go ahead and add a new one. Call that the test campaign right here. Create that campaign. And down here, you can scroll down a little bit. You can see the steps, as they call them, right here. So this is the front page, which you can edit that. That would be your opt-in page or something. You can then throw in another page right here down the line, and that's going to be, your thank you page or your whatever page comes after your front page. So that's kind of like basically you can set up funnels with this, is how that works. And one of the bonuses we actually cover funnels, and so it's very, very good fit right there. Now, when you're creating a new page, they have all of these templates in here. And you can see this is for pages. They also have pop-ups, exit pops, things like that, and one-click opt-in. But for now, we'll just cover all the pages. So you can see all the different things they have, everything from opt-in pages to squeeze pages to webinar pages, download pages, basically everything you need for marketing. So you can see right here, you don't have to start with one of their templates. You can do a custom template, which is pretty cool. But I've only played around with using their templates they have in here. So you can kind of scroll through, see which kind of template you want to use, which one you like the best, and you can go ahead and click preview if you want to check it out, and it'll load up. And right here you can preview the page. This is what it looks like. This is actually the page that I modeled my page that you're on right now after. So if you like that one, you can go ahead and click use this template. It will redirect us to the dashboard, or the builder, sorry. Now, first thing I want to point out is the settings. So page settings right here, you can set a background, and this is pretty sweet right here because the background option, not the best for this page, but for some of the other squeeze pages, you can set an entire background, and it'll just have the little box, right over here where it says, put your email in, basically the opt-in form. Now you can have it be a color, you can set an image, or you can set a video background. Any video on YouTube can be your entire background. So that was pretty cool. Page width you can set up here. Custom domains, if you do want to set it up on, here's my page or my domain, I can set it there, or it can be on their page. SEO right here. They've got tracking codes for retargeting or conversion tracking. Page text settings, custom CSS, and exit pop-up capabilities, right? So you can turn that on and use all that. So that's basically the page settings right there. You can preview the page, and if you like, as you work on it, and we'll go ahead and dive into exactly how easy this is to edit. So right here they have their little logo up here. I'm going to go ahead and find this image, click on that, and then we'll just click this little settings thing right here. And right here you can see I have these uploaded already. I can swap the image out as easy as clicking right there. You can hyperlink the image through the target link right here. And if you're not happy exactly where it is, and this is one of the things that was one of my favorite features about video pages, a lot of the other editors don't allow you to do this, but they have padding on the left and the right. Like, I can just move this logo over and line it up and make it fit wherever I'd like. And a lot of things, like I said, don't do that, so I thought that was pretty sweet. You can also animate it, throw shadows, all that good stuff. If you don't want it, you can delete it. Now, basically everything like that is drag and drop. Right here's the image. Let's say I don't want to put an image there, and I actually want to put something different right there. All I have to do is click this widgets button, and you can see I could add text, video, countdown, timer, all that good stuff. So let's say I want to go ahead and throw a video in there. All I have to do is drop that video right there, and now I have my video right there. Now, I'm not happy that's not centered, right? It doesn't look centered to me, so I can just go ahead and change, here it is, padding, and I could just move it on over until it is centered exactly where I want it. So pretty cool stuff right there. One of my other favorite, there's a lot of things I like about this. So, countdown timer. I can go ahead and throw a countdown timer right here, wherever, right? And a lot of other, like I use countdown timers a lot um, in my marketing. So I have this countdown timer here. Well, in the past, I've had to, after I set my countdown timer, when it hits 0, I have to go in and manually delete the page or put up a different page for that page. Well, this countdown timer, I can go ahead and say when it expires, I want you to either hide the timer or redirect the page, and that could be to a, hey, this offer is no longer open, or something along those lines. So that was a very cool feature with the timer that I was really stoked on. You can see all the widgets. Like I said, very easy drag and drop interface. You can just, if I don't want this here and I want this over here, I can move that and say I want to swap this one to over here. It's as easy as that to swap everything around. Most of the other drag and drop editors are not that easy to use. Now, one last thing I want to point out is the columns. So let's say I want to add a new column right here and add something at the very top of the page. I can choose any of these different columns. And this one up here is actually the 1 to 2. You can see it's smaller over here and much larger all the way over to here. So they're using this 1 to 2 column right here. But basically all I have to do is, let's say I want to use this 3-column section right here, drag and drop. And then all I have to do is grab my widgets, and I can just drop those wherever I would like, right? Just go to the widgets tab, and it's as easy as that. They even have custom HTML, so you can add your HTML code, embed things there, whatever you want to do. Very, very flexible and easy to use. Now, this is actually the page that you're on, and you can see I customized it a little bit. This is where the video that you're going to be watching is going to be, and you can see I very easily was able to customize this. And since we have this page up, I'll go ahead and give you the rundown on the bonuses that I am throwing in for anybody that picks up video pages through my link. Now, as you can see, video pages is a great page builder, but it's basically, with all the features it has, it's great to collect leads. Well, those leads will go onto an email list, and you're going to need to know how to market to that email list. And email marketing is a service I not only use for myself, I also sell it to clients, right? So this is a very valuable skill to have. So bonus number 1, I'm going to throw in, or I'm going to hold a live training where we're going to cover lead gen and email marketing, right? So we're basically going to talk about landing pages, copywriting your landing pages, scripting your videos that are going to go on your landing pages, and what happens after somebody opts in, which would be the thank you page. You only get one chance at a first impression, so you're going to want to impress them with your thank you page and definitely deliver what you said you would. So we'll cover all of that in the first part of that training. Then the second part, we'll talk about email marketing, and we'll go over the tools of the trade, things like autoresponders, how you need to structure your email campaigns, follow-up series, and measuring and reporting. So that's live training number 1. Then live training number 2 is going to be the video ads catalyst. And as you can see right here, you can read a little bit more about it, but I'm basically going to give you the complete rundown on AdWords for video. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about creating a successful ad campaign specifically designed to collect leads or to drive traffic back to these types of video pages that you're going to be building once you pick up video pages. Now, we'll cover everything from types of video ads, crafting your ad for conversions, video ad sales funnels, campaign setup, and tracking in conversions. Now, that's definitely a service that you can also sell to clients if you would like, which is where the video ads local edition bonus comes in. And you'll have the complete knowledge to set up landing pages. You'll know how to email market, and then you will know everything about getting traffic via YouTube to your landing page. Now, next comes selling it as a service to other businesses. So we'll talk a little bit about selling the service, pricing the service, and delivering the service, and exactly what you need to do to make money off this, what you need to charge, all of that good stuff. So all you need to do to pick up video pages is go ahead and click the button where it says get video pages right here. It's right below this video, or you can scroll to the bottom and there will be a button down here. As you can see, I'm kind of still working on the page, at least in this video, so it'll be done when you see it. But go ahead and click on that, and from there you will be taken to the sales page, pick up video pages, and then go ahead and shoot an email to support@justinsardi.com. You need to send that with your receipt, and I will get you your registration links for the live trainings, and get you the video ads local edition as well. So that's about it for me. Thanks for taking a minute to check this video out, and go ahead, click the button below and start playing with video pages today. Really, really awesome page builder. Bye for now.